The Amazon River Basin, a place of immense beauty. It is a symphony of vibrant life, yet beneath its shimmering surface lurks a creature of fearsome reputation, the piranha. Its name alone conjures images of razor-sharp teeth. They are capable of stripping flesh from bone in seconds. But how much of this fearsome reputation is deserved? Are piranhas truly the ruthless killing machines they are portrayed to be? Let's dive into the murky depths and uncover the truth about these fascinating fish. The term piranha doesn't refer to just one species. It encompasses a diverse group with varying sizes, shapes, and habits. From the sleek red-bellied piranha to the stocky black piranha, each species boasts unique characteristics. Most piranhas are relatively small, averaging between 6 to 10 inches long. Their most defining feature is their powerful jaws. These jaws are armed with sharp triangular teeth. These teeth are perfectly designed for tearing through flesh. Piranhas are social creatures. They live in groups called shoals. These shoals can range in size from a few individuals to hundreds strong. Living in a group offers several advantages, including increased protection from predators and greater success in hunting. Piranhas are primarily found in slow-moving, murky waters. These waters include rivers, streams, and flooded forests of the Amazon Basin. They prefer these habitats for a reason. The murky water provides camouflage. It allows them to ambush their prey. Their days are spent foraging for food. They dart in and out of vegetation. They are constantly on the lookout for their next meal. Piranhas are opportunistic feeders. They will eat whatever is available, from insects and small fish to fruits and seeds. Contrary to popular belief, they are not solely bloodthirsty carnivores. They play an important role in their ecosystem. They keep populations of other species in check. While piranhas have a reputation for being voracious carnivores, their diet is actually quite diverse. They are best described as omnivores. This means they consume both plant and animal matter. Their diet changes depending on the availability of food sources. During the wet season, when fruits and seeds fall into the water, piranhas primarily feed on this readily available bounty. However, they are also skilled hunters, using their sharp teeth and powerful jaws to catch and consume insects. Piranhas also hunt crustaceans. They catch and consume smaller fish. Piranhas play an important role as scavengers. They help to keep their ecosystem clean. They consume dead animals. This prevents the spread of disease. Section 5. Feeding Frenzy, Myth and Reality. The image of a piranha feeding frenzy is a staple of Hollywood horror. Picture this. A large animal enters the water. Suddenly, it's swarmed by hundreds of these ferocious fish, their sharp teeth glinting as they attack. In mere seconds, they strip it to the bone, leaving nothing but a skeleton behind. However, the reality of a piranha feeding frenzy is far less dramatic and far more nuanced. While piranhas do sometimes engage in frenzied feeding, these events are often triggered by specific circumstances that are not as common as movies suggest. One such circumstance is a scarcity of food, which can create a desperate situation for these fish. During periods of drought, when food is scarce, piranhas may become more aggressive in their search for sustenance. They may engage in frenzied feeding to secure a meal, but this is a survival mechanism rather than a common occurrence. However, even in these situations, attacks on large animals are extremely rare. Piranhas are more likely to feed on smaller prey or scavenge for food. In reality, piranhas are often misunderstood creatures that play a vital role in their ecosystem, maintaining the balance of aquatic life. Section 6. Piranhas and humans, a one-sided rivalry? Perhaps the biggest misconception surrounding piranhas is their supposed threat to humans. Many people believe that these fish are aggressive and dangerous, ready to attack at the slightest provocation. The reality is that piranhas are far more afraid of humans than we are of them. They tend to avoid human contact whenever possible, swimming away quickly if they sense our presence. Attacks on humans are incredibly rare and usually only occur when the fish are threatened or stressed. These incidents are often the result of unusual circumstances. For example, a piranha might bite a human if it is accidentally stepped on, mistaking the foot for a predator or a threat. Or if it is cornered in a small pool of water with no escape route, the fish might react defensively. In most cases, piranhas pose little to no danger to humans. They are more likely to be found swimming peacefully in their natural habitats, avoiding conflict. Swimmers and fishermen often share the water with these fish without incident. In many regions, people coexist with piranhas without any problems. The fearsome reputation of the piranha, fueled by exaggerated stories and Hollywood depictions, is largely undeserved. These portrayals have created a myth that doesn't reflect the true nature of these fascinating creatures. Section 7. Piranhas around the world. A South American story. Piranhas are native to South America, where they have thrived for millions of years. They are found primarily in the Amazon River Basin, which is one of the most biodiverse regions on the planet. This vast network of rivers and tributaries provides the perfect habitat for these fascinating fish, offering abundant food sources and ideal breeding conditions. However, due to the pet trade and other human activities, certain species of piranhas have been introduced to other parts of the world, far from their native waters. This includes parts of North America and Asia, where they have been spotted in various water bodies. While there are concerns about the potential impact of these introduced populations on local ecosystems, there have been no documented cases of piranhas establishing self-sustaining populations outside of their native range. This is likely due to their specific habitat requirements, such as warm water temperatures and abundant food, and their vulnerability to colder temperatures, which they cannot survive. Section 8. The piranha's place in the web of life. Piranhas are an integral part of the Amazonian ecosystem. They play a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of this complex web of life. As both predators and prey, they help to regulate populations of other species. As predators, they keep populations of smaller fish in check. As prey, they provide a food source for larger fish, birds, and reptiles. Their scavenging behavior also helps to maintain a healthy ecosystem. Their presence is essential for a thriving ecosystem. Section 9. Protecting the misunderstood, a call for conservation. Despite their important ecological role, piranhas face growing threats. Deforestation, pollution, and climate change are all taking a toll on their freshwater habitats. These threats not only endanger piranhas but also countless other species that depend on these ecosystems for survival. It is crucial that we work to protect these important habitats. We need to ensure the survival of these fascinating and often misunderstood creatures. By understanding the true nature of piranhas, we can appreciate their ecological importance. We can work to conserve them for future generations.